Welcome to Video Service Information. Looking at this 2015 Volvo XC60. Vehicle's got around 43,000 miles on it. It's got the 3-liter turbo engine in it. It's a 6-cylinder engine. We're hearing a ticking noise coming from the exhaust area on the engine. Customer states that when starting vehicle, the RPMs go very high and there's a ticking noise that is happening. Once the vehicle is warmed up, the RPMs go down and the ticking noise will stop. Did verify the customer's concern, exhaust leak. What would happen on a cold engine, you could hear the leak coming from the exhaust, and then as the engine warmed up, the crack would close from the expansion. Then the leak, you could kind of still hear it, but it wasn't as tense. Got the manifold out and you can see the crack here in the manifold. It has a turbocharged engine, so higher than normal exhaust temperatures and not thick enough and or wrong material in the exhaust manifold, causing it to crack. Talking with the Volvo dealers, they've been having seen this problem a lot lately. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.